हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका स्टडी हब ऑनलाइन पर। यहाँ हम रोज लेकर आते हैं हिंदू के डेली वोकैब्युलरी वर्ड्स जो आपके कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए मस्ट नो होते हैं। तो चलिए बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए शुरू करते हैं आज का सेशन। इन्फर्नो, नरक, प्रचंड आग। मीनिंग, अ लार्ज फायर दैट इज डेंजरसली आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल। सिनोनिम्स, कॉन्फ्लेग्रेशन, blaze, firestorm, holocaust. Example, police confirmed that 27 people, including both drivers, escaped the inferno. Flouted, avagya karna, उल्लंघन करना. Meaning, to openly disregard a rule, law, or convention. Synonyms, defied, violated, disregarded, scorned. Antonyms, obeyed, respected, observed, honored. Example, the bus management had reportedly flouted rules by converting a bus with seats into a sleeper coach. Ex gratia, anugrah rashi. Meaning, Latin, done from a sense of moral obligation rather than because of any legal requirement. Synonyms, voluntary payment, compensation, goodwill payment. Antonyms, obligatory payment, fine, penalty. Example, both state governments announced 5 lakh rupees ex gratia to the families of the deceased. Deputed, pratiniyukt karna, bhejna. Meaning, to appoint or instruct someone to perform a task for which one is responsible. Synonyms, appointed, delegated, assigned, commissioned. Antonyms, recalled, dismissed. Example, the collector and deputy inspector general were deputed to supervise relief operations. Discord, kalaha, matbhed. Meaning, disagreement between people, lack of harmony. Synonyms, conflict, friction, strife, disagreement. Antonyms, harmony, agreement, accord, unity. Example, the Prime Minister claimed that the NDA has been a picture of unity, in contrast to the discord in the India bloc. Engulfed, घिरा हुआ, निगल लिया. Meaning, to sweep over something so as to surround or cover it completely. Synonyms, submerged, inundated, enveloped, overwhelmed. Antonyms, uncovered, revealed, drained. Example, by the time the fire personnel reached the spot, the vehicle was engulfed in flames. Ordeal, Agni Preksha, Kathin Pariksha. Meaning, a very painful or horrific experience, especially a prolonged one. Synonyms, trial, tribulation, nightmare, torment. Antonyms, pleasure, delight, comfort. Example, the note alleged that one man raped her multiple times, while another subjected her to relentless mental harassment, naming them as responsible for her ordeal. Alluding, sanket karna, ullekh karna. Meaning, suggesting or calling attention to something indirectly, hinting at. Synonyms, hinting, implying, suggesting, intimating. Antonyms, declaring, specifying, stating directly. Example, alluding to corruption, the union minister said a social evil was the central issue in both incidents. Bereaved, shok santapt, vanchit. Meaning, deprived of a close relation or friend through their death. Synonyms, grieving, mourning, lamenting. Antonyms, content, fortunate, blessed. Example, the union minister posted on his X account about meeting the bereaved family. Inconsolable, जिसे सांत्वना न दी जा सके. Meaning of a person or their grief, not able to be comforted or alleviated. Synonyms: heartbroken, devastated, grief-stricken, desolate. Antonyms: consolable, comforted, happy. Example: inconsolable family members gathered at the accident spot in Kurnool on Friday. If you like the video, do comments and subscribe. Stay cool, keep learning, be Gen G.